Hello YouTube, Bimmer7 guy here, and we're going to be working on this W211 again, OM642 diesel. We're going to go through and we're going to be replacing some stuff today. Alright, well, let's get to it. The first step you'll need to do is remove this engine cover. And then after that, you wonder, how am I going to do all this with all this awesomeness? Well, we'll go over that here in just a moment. All right, and right here we're going to be going through and we are going to be replacing that gasket right there on the intake tube. And yeah, I got the replacement right here. I got it off of FCP Euro. This one's made in Turkey. And we'll get it on there. So hopefully it'll stop. You can see right down there it's leaking a little bit. We'll also replace the little one for the crankcase vent tube that goes right here. And yeah, we'll get that going. All right, and so we're going to be loosening this clamp, this clamp, this clamp, undoing this connection, and this connection here. And we're going to be loosening this air box, moving it to the side, and we'll pull the pipe out and replace the all right, 7mm. Loosen this right up here. Alright, now that all those are loose, we shall undo these connections here. There's just two tabs on each side. Press it, pull it out. Alright, now with those connections undone, we're going to go through, we're going to unbolt this bolt. And then if you look back here, right down there, we're going to undo that one. And we're going to pull this air box out. Alright, and then after you pull that back, you can go ahead and pull this out here. Look at that. Oh, that looks nice. That looks real good right there. That one was definitely broken. This seal here. Look at all this. Real nice. Well, apparently didn't need this sensor unplugged. All right, well, let's get the seals replaced in this and get it put back on. So we're gonna go through and get all this cleaned up, and we're actually not using this old gasket that's in here, so we can just pull that out of there. And it looks delicious, doesn't it, y'all? Look at that. It's the way you want it to be. Get all this cleaned out of here. And we'll get the new one on here. And I'll go over how you do that, showing me different ones. We'll get it all cleaned up. We'll get that going, get this back on there. Alright, and so we're going to get this put in place. Alright, and just like that, we got it all in there. And we'll go get it put back on the car. And we also have this one. This one goes in here. Hold on one second. And then here, where we're putting this notch goes to this side. You can see it's got a little indent right there. And that indicates completely where this needs to be. See, got a little arrow and everything. And that's on.